Hello guys, welcome back. Let's go to our course. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we are going to make our restraints of our project. We can use Shift to get some view like this. Then go back and a little up. We want to select this beauty is down. This points down. Okay, I want to choose all of them. That's a real tricky, but we can do. Okay, let me change a model a little in a view. Sorry for a little lag. Okay, this is the best, I think. Now let's Control D to ESC2 deselect all of them, and then we select it. Then change a model a little. Select this. Oh, sorry, we here select the wrong thing. I think we select the ops too. Okay, we must select again. Let's go. This time we will make that work. Come on. Okay, this is not the thing I want. What? We can maybe handle that. Let's select all of them and select this. Then go to restraint, assign joint restraints, this, and apply. You can see now the joints are created. Let me just check them.